Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into RWTH Aachen as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in RWTH IDM account activation. That is RWTH IDM self-service or account activation. Tap on the first link and then tap on each account in identity management. Scroll down and then tap on create account at the bottom of the page. Tap on IDM self-service. Now here you must enter your username along with your password, which should be provided to you by a college or university, and then hit registration. After this, you'll be asked to reset your password and then you can log in to the other web apps. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.